Hello and welcome everybody. Mara stock on 26 November. This is going to be one of the stocks that is going to be very simple next days. So that's going to be important. Okay, 1 day update. Since we see that price was going to be on the lowest value it had reached. Okay, and we want to know how the two resistances is going to make such good attachment. So let's go to good attachment going to be returning back for how the stock will be next time. So the stock would be next time for the price here as a new wave. So the new wave would depend on this wave, the next wave. So it made about two, three waves at least, and then it would make about maybe 4 or 5 waves, or may increase immediately. Okay, that what can I think that should be applied on Mara stock nowadays, because a lot of people if going to make the competition between this stock and another stocks. So the marathon digital holding or Mara stock would win this stock, and that's going to be good about the price prediction news on this video.